Hey, Sophia! It's nice to see you again.
Hi, Daniel. It's great to see you too. How have you been lately?
I've been doing pretty well, actually. Life has been busy, but in a good way. What about you?
Same here. I've been studying a lot recently because I want to improve my English speaking skills.
Really? That's interesting. Your English already sounds very good.
Thank you. But I still make mistakes sometimes. I think the best way to improve is by practicing conversations every day.
I completely agree with you. When I first started learning English, I was very shy.
You? Shy? I don't believe that.
It's true. I was afraid of speaking because I thought people would laugh at my pronunciation.
I understand that feeling. Sometimes I worry about my accent too.
Honestly, accents are normal. Everyone has one. The important thing is communication.
That's a good point. I think confidence is more important than perfection.
Exactly. Many people wait until their English is perfect before speaking, but that day never comes.
That's true. So how did you become more confident?
Well, I started listening to English podcasts and watching movies every day. Then I practiced speaking alone in front of a mirror.
Really? That sounds funny.
It was funny at first, but it helped me a lot.
I should try that too.
You should. Also, I stopped being afraid of making mistakes.
That's difficult for me sometimes.
I know, but mistakes are part of learning.
You sound like a teacher.
Maybe one day I'll become one.
Actually, you'd be a great English teacher.
Thanks. And what about you? What are your dreams?
I want to travel around the world.
Wow, that's exciting.
Yes, I want to visit places like France, Canada, Japan, and Switzerland.
Switzerland is beautiful. I've seen many videos about it.
Me too. The mountains and lakes look amazing.
Traveling is one of the best reasons to learn English.
Definitely. English helps you communicate with people everywhere.
Have you ever traveled to another country?
Not yet, but I hope to travel soon.
Which country would you visit first?
Probably France. I love the culture, the food, and the language.
That sounds wonderful.
What about you? Where would you like to go?
I'd love to visit the United States and the United Kingdom.
Why those countries?
Because I want to experience different accents and cultures.
British English sounds elegant.
It does, but sometimes it's difficult to understand.
I agree. Some accents are challenging.
That's why listening practice is important.
How many hours do you practice English every day?
Usually 1 or 2 hours.
That's impressive.
Consistency is more important than studying for many hours.
You're right. Even 30 minutes every day can make a difference.
Exactly.
By the way, what do you usually do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books, listening to music, and creating videos.
Creating videos? For YouTube?
Yes.
That's so cool. What kind of videos do you make?
Mostly English learning content and motivational videos.
I love motivational content.
Really?
Yes. Sometimes we all need encouragement.
That's true. Life can be difficult sometimes.
Especially when you feel like giving up.
Have you ever felt that way?
Many times.
Me too.
Last year, I almost stopped studying English because I felt frustrated.
What happened?
I wasn't improving as fast as I wanted.
I understand.
But then I realized that learning a language takes time.
Exactly. It's a journey.
Yes, and every small step matters.
I couldn't agree more.
Did anyone inspire you to learn English?
Yes, my older brother.
Really?
He speaks English fluently and works with international clients.
That's inspiring.
I remember hearing him speak English on the phone when I was younger.
And you wanted to speak like him?
Exactly.
That's a beautiful story.
Thanks. What about you?
I started learning English because of music.
Music?
Yes, I wanted to understand the lyrics of English songs.
That's actually a great method.
Music helps with pronunciation too.
Absolutely.
Who's your favorite singer?
I listen to many artists, but I really enjoy worship music.
Me too. Worship songs are peaceful.
They bring comfort and hope.
Exactly.
Music can change your mood completely.
Especially after a stressful day.
Speaking of stress, how do you relax? I usually go for a walk or read a book. That sounds relaxing.
What about you?
I like sitting quietly and listening to calm music.
Sometimes silence is powerful too.
Yes, silence helps us think clearly.
You know, I enjoy conversations like this.
Me too.
It's nice to talk about life and dreams.
I think deep conversations are rare these days.
Most people are always on their phones.
That's true.
Technology is useful, but sometimes it disconnects people.
I agree completely.
Do you use social media a lot?
Not too much anymore.
Why not?
Because I realized I was wasting too much time scrolling.
Same here.
Now I try to spend more time learning new things.
That's a smart decision.
Thank you.
I've been trying to become more productive too.
How?
I started planning my days and setting goals.
That's excellent.
It helps me stay focused.
Goals are very important.
Do you write your goals down?
Yes, every month.
Really?
Yes. Writing goals makes them feel real.
I should start doing that.
You definitely should.
What's your biggest goal right now?
I want to build a successful online business.
Wow, that's ambitious.
And I also want to help people learn English.
That's amazing.
Thank you.
I believe you can do it.
Your encouragement means a lot.
Sometimes all people need is someone who believes in them.
That's very true.
Have you always been optimistic?
Not always.
Really?
There were times when I doubted myself.
What changed?
I learned that negative thinking only makes life harder.
That's true.
Positive thinking doesn't solve every problem, but it gives you strength.
I love that idea.
What motivates you every day?
My family.
That's beautiful.
They support me a lot.
Family support is precious.
Yes, it really is.
My parents always encouraged me to follow my dreams.
That's wonderful.
They taught me never to give up.
Good parents are a blessing.
Absolutely.
If you could give advice to English learners, what would you say?
I'd say practice every day, don't fear mistakes, and enjoy the process.
That's excellent advice.
And what advice would you give?
I'd say believe in yourself.
Confidence really changes everything.
Yes, when you believe you can improve, you become more motivated.
Exactly.
Do you think learning English can change someone's life?
Without a doubt.
How?
English opens doors to jobs, travel, education, and friendships.
That's true.
It also gives people more confidence.
I've noticed that too.
Language learning is more than grammar and vocabulary.
It's about communication.
And connection.
I like that.
Me too.
You know, before learning English, I was afraid to meet new people.
And now?
Now I feel more open and confident.
That's amazing progress.
Thank you.
I'm proud of you.
That means a lot.
You deserve it.
Thanks, Daniel.
You're welcome.
I hope one day we can travel and practice English together.
That would be incredible.
Maybe in Paris?
Or London?
Or New York?
So many possibilities.
Exactly.
Life is full of opportunities.
We just have to be brave enough to take them.
Well said.
Thank you.
By the way, what's your favorite English word?
Probably hope.
That's a beautiful word.
I think hope keeps people moving forward.
I agree completely.
What's your favorite word?
Believe.
Why?
Because belief is powerful. When you believe in yourself, amazing things can happen.
That's inspiring.
Thank you.
Conversations like this motivate me to continue learning.
Me too.
I think practicing English with friends is very effective.
Definitely.
It feels natural and enjoyable.
Exactly.
Sometimes learning alone can feel boring.
That's why community matters.
True.
We can motivate each other.
Yes.
So, what are your plans for tomorrow?
I'm going to study English in the morning and work in the afternoon.
Sounds productive.
What about you?
I'm editing videos and preparing new lessons.
Busy day.
Very busy.
Don't forget to rest too.
I'll try.
Promise?
Promise?
Good.
You know, I'm really happy we had this conversation.
Me too.
It's encouraging to talk with someone who has dreams and determination.
Thank you. You're very encouraging too.
Maybe that's why we became friends.
Maybe.
Before we go, let me ask you one last question.
Sure.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I see myself speaking English fluently, traveling the world, and helping others.
That's wonderful.
And you?
I see myself building a successful business, inspiring people online, and continuing to grow.
I believe you'll achieve those goals.
Thank you.
Never stop believing in yourself.
I won't.
Good.
Well, I should go now.
Me too.
Take care, Sophia.
You too, Daniel.
Keep practicing English every day.
I will. And you too.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.